It's okay, bro. Just take the time off today. You don't need to do all the like hard shit today. You don't need to just open your favorite game up, watch some Netflix, bro. No, don't worry. Everyone will wait for you. The success? No, bro, that's too late already. Don't start. What is up with the modern day people that they have this just like thought in mind that everything will be fine without any work, without like going and pursuing your goal like a fucking maniac. When I just hear this, like, no, when I just hear this reassurance, like, no, baby, it will be fine, like, everything will be fine. No, don't just take a day off. No, don't work today. You've already worked so hard. No, you don't need this. You can eat this, like, Big Mac, like, you can go to McDonald's today. That's fine. That is such a fucking bullshit to me, bro. Like, the good things are there for a reason, and whether you are doing them consistently or you are just on the path to do it, you are doing it because you want to make a change, right? So you just want to stop falling into the same traps, stop doing what you were doing previously. So what makes you really think that this time it's gonna be fine? This time you're gonna go on the internet, jerk off for 5 times, and that's gonna be fine today. It really isn't about this one single time. It's about losing your momentum, and that's whether I'm talking about gym, about music, about business, like any of this stuff. It can be applied because honestly, I live like a maniac. I'm often hearing this from people, and I don't feel offended by that. That's a compliment for me. And you might ask, the fuck, what's left from the life? You do all this crazy shit, because currently I'm working for the most part of the day. I would say 70% is filled by just doing stuff around my business. And that's not just only like sitting in front of computer making beats that would be retarded, but like I'm just obsessed with this, and I have this like crazy ambition. And this is really necessary if you want to become great, because you can enjoy the fruits of your labor once you really get there. Once you achieve this finally, you become successful and you become the person you wanted to be. But to be fucking honest, bro, your 20s aren't made to just enjoy it. You are gonna need to go through some shit, and you are gonna spend some lonely nights and some lonely days without like getting any validation from others, without getting like, this is not gonna be easy, but you can think of it like this. If you can survive that, if you can go and just enjoy the process, enjoy what you're doing, and feel the passion, fulfilling your dream, fulfilling the everything you've ever wanted, what's gonna break you? What's gonna be hard in life? Because there is like often this narrative currently, everyone is equal, everyone is a victimized. Like, the life ain't supposed to be easy, you know? You often hear, like in Poland, for example, that the 20, 30 years ago, people who made money, this money wasn't made by hard labor, it was just doing some shady business, right? And why is that? My point isn't that you should like work your ass off for your whole life. This isn't the point of it, but you have to understand some things. If you just submerge yourself, obsess over your work, over your lifestyle, the person you want to become, you will see things that many people skip, that many people overlook. And you will see things exactly how they are and how this is all connected. All the overnight successes that you see on the internet weren't really made overnight. Each and every person has a story behind them. I have a story, you probably have a story. I know so much fucking people that have like some motivation story, what's behind there, how to find the reason why. Because you're gonna give up really easily if there is no reason for you to just stay fucking determined, to just slay this. Like, this is not easy, you know? But you know what else isn't easy? Living your whole life and looking into the mirror 40, 50 years from now and seeing like a fucking loser what you have become and regretting that you didn't push when you had the chance, you didn't push enough. You didn't put this work, like you haven't broken up this relationship with this friend group that let you down, like they were taking drugs, they were drinking alcohol. This is the thing that you're gonna regret, not the like that you made some random purchase and then lost this money. No. You will regret exactly that you lost your life making other people happy, making your boss happy, making a businessman that leads your company happy. Great things can happen if you just give yourself a chance. And the one thing I learned over the years, that nothing in life comes easily. Nothing in life comes like just on the silver platter and just handed to you. Not in music, not in business, nothing like that. I can guarantee. Not with girls, not in the gym. You cannot not go to the gym just like fucking spin steroids and and get jacked. Like, you know, this does not work like that. If you want to be great, you have to do the hard work right now, and you have to make sacrifices whether you like it or not. And if you're really determined, you make this your life, your like only way, you will get it, bro. There is no fucking like other way. If you just see yourself as the man that you want to be, and with stubbornness of a maniac, just go and pursue this goal each and every fucking single day, there is no chance. There is no chance that you're gonna not make it. There are so many dreamers, there are so many people who just want to be, who just like, yeah, I'm gonna do this in a week when I have time for that. No. This is called mental masturbation, like when you speak about something and don't take action. So just be different and do this for yourself. Do this for the people that you love, that you care about. Do this for the future you who want to become this like great person. This is everything from me. If you want to work with me, my socials are down below. I can help you with your brand, sell your first beat and achieve great results in your personal life. Bye bye.